Mentioned Tirumala Tirupati, there is a decision that was taken now by the TTD. Do you back it of not having non-Hindus?
I think we should. No, do you expect you go to Mecca and ask Hindus to be there in the administration?
But should you look at religion when it comes to work and efficiency?
No,
I'm sure there may have been loyal non-Hindu employees part of TTD for many years.
There is nothing wrong. You go to a Jewish synagogue and you expect a non-Jewish to be there. You go to Mecca, you want to expect a Hindu to be there. You go to a church and you go to Jerusalem, you expect non-Christians to be there. No, it's not. I think one should be very clear about it. I don't have any confusion about that. Hindus' temple should be controlled only by Hindus. There is no second thought.
When months ago the controversy broke out over the laddus that are given at Tirumala Tirupati, I know it's a case right now that's going on in the Supreme Court, but what did you first feel as a devotee of Lord Balaji when you heard that maybe the ghee that's used in these laddus is impure, that lacks consume? What was your emotion? Because
for me it is unlike others, because I was Balaji is quite close to all of us, and it is not about today because being there. Because I was named in my naming ceremony was done when I was a kid. When I was 6 months old, my naming ceremony was done in Tirumala only. Okay. So my connect is at a very deeper level, and one of my grandfather, my mother's side grandfather, my maternal grandfather, one of his brother used to work in Balaji, Tirumala. So always we believe in the sanctity of the temple. And it is a Tirupati Prasad is something like the rarest of the rarity for all of us. It is like, maybe if you're a little, maybe you connected, maybe you'll get Prasad, but otherwise when my father, a simple employee's son, I was an employee's son. So it used to be any Prasad, even this much, it used to be a treasure for us. So, and after I came into politics, there are a lot of issues always used to be surrounded regarding Tirumala. And last 5 years, we had been seeing the